Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today just telling you what I'm very sorry about, like what I said in the title down below. I won't be starting a new game in Pokemon Brick Bronze in Roblox. I'm sorry so much for this. I've done too much. I've already caught Ash Ninja, Diancie, I have a Dragonite, Charizard, well, Shiny Charizard X. There are a lot of Pokemon that I have in Pokemon Brick Bronze that I do not want to take away. I've done some things in Pokemon Brick Bronze. For example, I already have the 6th gym badge, which is like the Apple gym badge. And also guys, please tell me in the comments below if Diancie does Mega Evolve. Does it or does it not? Please guys, tell me. If you, I will say thank you so much for all my subscribers. I'm just shouting them out like next week. I'm shouting out all my subscribers. So I only have 4, that's okay, I don't care. Well, I do care about subscribers, but just subscribe, and I'm saying who I'm going to shout out. Okay guys, see ya. So sorry for this video. I'm so sorry that I'm not starting a new game in Pokemon Brick Bronze, so I bet it'll still be fun. See ya guys.